Hi, this is Bella, and today I'm going to introduce our SC-1000S with the operation, and the SC-1000S with 12 and 24 volts. And also we have current rating for 12 volts for 13710 and 24 volts for 1, 2, 4, and 6. And also for all the battery types such as weight, MF, HGM, EFB, and LiPo4. You can all using the SC-1000S. So now I'm going to show you the operation and how to operate this SC-1000S. Okay, now I'm going to introduce the function of SC-1000S. And with SC-1000S, with this display, this means it's auto-detecting. If today you connect with the 12-volt battery, and then it will show 12 volts. And if you connect with 24 volts battery, and then it will show 24 volts. And if today battery voltage is quite low, if it's 24 volts battery, but it detects 12 volts, we have to setting to 24 volt systems. So at that time, we can go down to the last button, and with long display, and then with this display, we place OK. And then we go up and down to say whether it's 12 volts or 24 volts battery. If with these two numbers together, it's auto-detecting. And then this mode button, we can also do it for our charging mode. And we have the normal mode, which is using in normal charging conditions. And also we have snow mode. This is recommended to use in low temperature, or you can also charge your battery every 3 to 4 months by snow mode, which can increasing your battery efficiency. And then we also have boost mode. Boost mode is using when your battery cannot charging in normal charging condition or with the snow mode. And then at the end, it has 40 signal. Or if you already complete charging, but after a few days, your battery voltage is low. At that time, the battery should be over discharging or aging. So at that time, we can using the boost mode charging to charge your battery to try to save again your battery. And then with boost charging, we will do 4 times boost charging. If each time your battery can set back to normal condition, and then it will go to normal mode automatically. Otherwise, after 4 times boost charging, if your battery is still damaged, and then we will have 40 signal. So at the time you have to change in your battery. So, and also please remember for the boost mode charging, you have to disconnecting your battery from your car. But if you are using the normal mode or snow mode, you can just connecting the battery without disconnecting from your car. The normal mode first. And then this button is to choosing your charging current. The scooter in 12 volts is 1 amps. And the motorcycle represents 3 amps. The car is 7 amps. And the truck is 10 amps. If it's under 24 volts, then the scooter is also the 1 amps. Motorcycle represents 2 amps. The car represents 4 amps. And the truck represents 6 amps. And then the third button is for you to choosing your battery types, whether it's weight, MF, AGM, EFB, or LiPo4. And if today you don't know your battery types, you just leave it blank. The battery is still able to charge in your battery. And then for the last button, it will show you all the charging situation. So let me show you. If today we connect with our battery, and which is 1 amps. I'm connecting with the 12-volt battery, and so it shows 12 volts, and it's under 1 amps. And now it shows charging, and we can place the last button. Now the charging voltage is 12.6 or 12.5, and then the charging amps is around 0.6 roughly. And even we choosing the 1 amps, but it won't charge by 1 amps, it will detect your battery condition. So our current will be goes up or goes down. And then here we'll see the charging hours and the percentage, our charging process, and also the charging age. So all this information you can see by last button. And also today I'm going to show you another functions about our 24 volts light perform mode. And for the 24 volts light perform mode, here we have to setting to 24 volts first, and then on the third button we have to choosing to the light perform mode. So here now is the 24 volts light perform mode, and with the light perform mode, the charging current with 12 volts will be 5 and 10, but with 24 volts will be 3 and 6. And now we can using this to charge your 24 volts light perform battery. But if today the BMS is off, we also have a function for false on to try to wake up your BMS. So please make sure if you are doing the 24 volt systems, make sure this is 24 volts and it under light perform mode. And then we place the last button here. Also long place. And you will hear the beep sound, and then we place OK. Then this is the false on charging mode. We were charging by 29.2 volts, and this is only 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, no matter your BMS is open or off, we will cut off because we only have 60 seconds. And also please remember, when you are doing the false on, you can't reverse polarity. You must make sure your red clamp is connect with your positive and black clamp connect with your battery negative terminal. Okay, so this is how we operate the SC-1000S. If you still have any questions, please leave your message below and we will reply to you as soon as possible. And thank you for watching.
有兴趣的朋友赶快私讯我们，我会推荐各位到我们的实体或者是电商的通路去购买。记得要订阅、按赞还有分享哦。下次见啦，拜拜。